Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to see the blocked users list in Instagram. So let's get started. So for this, just come to the home interface of Instagram, and to the rightmost bottom you'll be having your profile. Click that, and now to the top you'll be having the three lines icon. Select it, and here if you scroll down we'll be having who can see your content, and inside that we'll be having the blocked option. Click it. This will basically display the list of people that you have blocked, and in case if you want to unblock them, you can just click on unblock and click on unblock here also. Now those accounts will be getting unblocked. That's the video guys. I hope you'd have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.